Hey everybody, Harris here with iDownload Blog. Today we're taking a look at iOS 11.4 Beta 6. So we just made a video a couple days ago about iOS 11.4 Beta 5, but we said because the feedback app was still there that this likely was not the Gold Master. There were still a couple bugs, including iMessage not being able to peek or pop, which has still not been fixed. So if you're in Messages, if you want to 3D touch on an article, you're not able to successfully do that still. Additionally, of course, we still have the feedback app, and then the build number itself points to the fact that this is not the final edition. But we can see with this update that all the core features of iOS 11.4 are still here. We still have AirPlay 2, we still have iMessage in the cloud. So basically everything that is promised with 11.4, the core features that we're really looking forward to, are still here. Those are not going anywhere, and we still have complete access to those features. But really at this point it's just about squashing bugs such as the one we saw in iMessage, a couple other bugs, perfecting things, perfecting the balance between performance and speed and glitches, and that's really what Apple is doing at this point. They're kind of adjusting and finding the right balance between clock speed, performance, and how many bugs there are on the operating system. So there's nothing really new in terms of features, and there likely will not be any big changes at all coming before iOS 11.4 gets released to the public, but there's also likely that there will be another update to fix the last remaining bugs and to perfect it before the full beta comes out. So this has been kind of an interesting cycle of betas. We have two in almost as many days. We have the feedback app still here, so it likely points to another version coming soon that will likely be the Gold Master or the final version before iOS 11.4 gets released to the public in its final version in the next 2 weeks, likely in the next week or so, again before WWDC 2018. If you want to check out any other change features that we find or bugs, head over to idownloadblog.com. But until then, this is Harris with iDownload Blog, taking a look at what's not really changed about iOS 11.4 Beta 6.